Alright, so what we got here is an Audi A6 2018. So this is fitted with the RMC MMI 3G unit. And what we've done is we retrofitted factory style wireless CarPlay onto the original screen, fully wireless, so no wires are needed. Press and hold down the back button, and there you go. Access to full CarPlay right on the screen. You can use your original controller to control it. You can use all your favorite apps right on the screen. All the sound that comes with the original system as well.
Protected by Atom. Booking T's and C's apply. Selected departures. Direct debit. Minimum 26 weeks from departure. Minimum spend applies. See website for details.
January. It's probably time to cut back, right?
Let me just change the source.
What's the juice? Acting loose.
There you go.
She shake it like jelly. 100 bands of Chanel, but I'm still shaking ass in the deli.
So yeah, all your favorite apps that are supported will show up on the screen, and you can always switch back to the original system. And when you put it reverse, it retains your factory parking sensors. If you want this retrofitted on your vehicle, see the link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.